Na yangu okutuuka ku 1 million views mbembalaga.
Na kuba screenshot. 1 million in 1 week.
Nze sisobola because nkimanyi kye bakola. Ko nsobola olaba engeri olimba gye lutambula ne mmanya nti ono omuntu yaguze views.
Olimba.
Nsobola okulaba engeri. Kati nja ku example emu. Waliwo omuyimbi alina oluyimba nga luli popular. Nze wuyo taweza 1 million view.
Up now.
Ne kakati.
Tanawera.
Naye njagala nkubuuzeeyo ekibuuzo kimu. Nyimba mmeka z'omanyi omwaka guno ezenkana wuuyo? Gwe mbuulira amazima oŋŋambe nti luno. And we're not just talking about the time it's taken in the industry.
In terms of what? Lyrical strength.
Look at the lyrical strength, look at the composition, look at the beat structure, look at even how appealing it is if they played it. Because it's 10 years old.
Yeah, you know.
So many songs playing now cannot play in the next 2 years. So many songs playing now, that is ngezako nokuwa length. Ngezako nokuwa length.
Of course.
They cannot work. How many songs equal to memories? I wrote it in 30 minutes. That's a very simple song for me to write. 30 minutes. Max, nendu maliriza nendu tekayo out. Actually, twalutekayo nga Lilian show ya next week. Dwatambulirawo immediately. And the beauty is that when it comes to quality, quality does not lie. Oluyimba, majority of it is in English. It's one of the biggest songs in Uganda. Are you telling me nti enyimba z'oluguzungu tezukola mu Uganda?
Zikolera.
It's how you put it together. Every song, even to make a hit, it's mathematics.